Hello, this is Leonardo Films, and today I'm going to do a Brickhouse review. So, let's get started with the first weapon. And this sniper. It's a pretty detailed weapon. I got plenty of these. One of them I accidentally cut it in half. If you don't believe me, look here. Anyway, on to the next weapon. Next weapon is this. I like this weapon a lot. I don't actually know his name, but it's pretty detailed. It fits pretty good in black. Let's go show it. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty good. Okay, next weapon is the AK-47. This is like my favorite Brickhouse weapon. It fits pretty good in black, but I think that black weapons suck, but not this one. Only some of them fits in black, like this one. Oh. Here's what it looks like. Yeah. Okay, next weapon is this little blaster. It's pretty small, but pretty good anyway. You can have it in a pretty good movie. I like it a lot, even though it's so small. It's pretty detailed. Could have been a little better, but anyway. And next weapon is this bazooka, and this is a pretty good weapon. It fits pretty good if you want it in any movie. So yeah, you can also buy a missile to it. Well, hold on, like this one. If you're going to buy a Brickhouse weapon at first, like a Warehouse 19, they ship to almost every country in the world. I recommend you don't buy too many black weapons. I suggest you take black, grey, gunmetal, and silver. And not just black ones like I've seen in a lot of movies. Next weapon is this one. This was like my favorite weapon. I've only got one, but when I'm going to make a new Warehouse 19 order, I'm gonna buy more of those. Okay, it's pretty detailed. I like it a lot. Next weapon is this revolver. Let's see. It's a pretty good weapon. This is my newest weapon. I got it recently. Well, not recently, like 2 months ago. But it's the latest I had. It's pretty good. I've seen it in other Brickhouse movies, so I bought it myself. Only got one. I got one more, but it's dark green. Okay. And the final weapon is this Comet Shotgun. And this is a pretty good weapon. I like that it's in silver. It fits pretty good. Also got in, yeah, like every color that is available. Hold on. I got it in dark green, black, of course, and also got it in gray. Yeah, it fits. Every color looks good. Yeah, that's my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, And oh, by the way, I got a third channel that I made yesterday. I put a link right here, so please check it out and subscribe. I just uploaded a video yesterday, so you can check it out. Yeah, bye.